Yeah, welcome back to our channel. So if you're building your website for the first time, congrats to you. But just before you hit that publish button, you want to come close so that you can know about the common mistakes that beginners make when trying to build a website. Now, this is for you to avoid so that you can build yours with confidence. The first one is not having a clear goal. Not having a clear goal. Now, every website needs a purpose. What is it for? Is it to inform? Is it to sell? Is it just to collect leads? When you do not have a goal, your clients or customers or visitors will not know what to do. Okay, and you will neither not know what to do. Now, the second one is using a free domain name. Things like website name.wordpress.com or your business.wixsite.com. And that does not scream professionalism in any way. Use a domain name. Use a custom domain name. Now, what this helps to do is that it helps to build trust, and it also helps to make your site appear serious. Now, the third one is no clutters. No clutters. I'm talking about no fonts, no so many colors or pop-ups. Why do I say so? You need to keep your site as simple, collected, and user-friendly as possible. Trust me, simplicity gets to win it all the time. Now, the fourth one is no mobile optimization. Now, the truth is, you're going to have most of your visitors from mobile. Now, if your site is slow or does not look good enough, when I mean slow, it's taking time to load and all of that, you might get to lose a huge or a large, percentage of your clients. And that is not what you want. So what do you want to do? You want to try to test it up first on a mobile before going live. Now, the fifth one is no clear call to action. No clear call to action. What exactly do you want your visitors or your clients to do when they visit your site for the first time? Do you want them to make a booking, to book a call? Do you want them to subscribe or to buy? You don't want your visitors roaming aimlessly around your site. You want to as much as give them directives, okay, through buttons and prompts. Clear buttons and prompt call to actions. The sixth one is ignoring SEO. Ignoring SEO, which is ignoring search engine optimization. Now, if you're not optimizing your search engines, you're not doing your site a good favor because people will not be able to find you. Now, use basic tools. It is going to help. Now, the very last one is forgetting to update your website. Websites are not built for just, building sake. You build it and then you just forget it. You set it up and then you just forget it. That is not what websites are built for. Whenever you build your website, ensure to always update it as much as possible. All right. Now, all of these tips would help because it will help you save money and also gather and gain more money as well. It's going to help you stay reliable and very true to your clients and customers. And it will help you gain more visibility out there in the social world or in the internet world. Now, as usual, if you gained value for your time on this segment or on this channel, please ensure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop your comment in the comment section as well as your questions. See you in our next video. Bye.